Hi everyone, I'm Natasha, a team member here at Sephora. In my last hair video, you asked for a low, sleek pony, but I did it this time with a little twist, and it's really easy using just a few products, so let's get into it. We're starting off with unwashed hair. It's been like 3 to 4 days. I kind of lost count, but I already have my middle part, and I'm gonna go in with the Way pomade and just put a little bit throughout my hands and disperse it because my hair right now, like I said, it's unwashed. It's a little bit oily, so this is gonna help me get some grip and start the process. Now that I've gathered my hair where I want it to be placed, I'm gonna go in with my dry bar or bristle brush and just smooth out any of the bumps. And then I'm really gonna tighten it because I want this to be a very snatched ponytail. Now I'm just gonna go in with an elastic and secure it. Now I'm just gonna grab my brush and smooth out any bumps. You see how it just gives it that like perfect, sleek, chic pony. So now that my ponytail is super sleek, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora collection snag-free elastics. And now I'm just gonna create a bun that's gonna be, again, super sleek, and the edges are gonna be sharp, pointing out. So I'm just gonna grab my hair, do a nice little twist, and have some of the edges sticking out, grabbing the elastic, and you're gonna go wrapping around 2 times, just to make sure it's secure. And it's that simple. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the same Way pomade and just grab a little bit more, and then we're just gonna smooth out the flyaways. So as you can see here, I have a lot of new hair growth, and that's great. We encourage that, but I'm gonna flatten her out with this pomade. It's the secret trick. You see how magical that was? And then I also have some flyaways back here. So I'm just gonna use the same pomade and just smooth it out. And you could put some on your bun too if you want, just to smooth it out. Final step, she's gonna be super secure. We're gonna go in with a Moroccan oil hairspray and just go to town. I am a hairspray gal. And this hairspray is also luminous, so it's gonna help with that shine. And don't forget the bun. Okay, so you see how easy it was to create this sleek and chic ponytail with a little personality. It's good for day, it's good for night. And let me know in the comments below how you would wear this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.